So I just wanted to come on Amazon and show you my office cubicle. I am using these artificial plant panels. They come in 12 pack of 10 by 10 inch, which is basically 8 square feet of plant. This just looks so beautiful. I get so many compliments at work. So you can see how it comes packaged here. I'm just taking it out of the box and putting it together. They pretty much snap together, and you'll see how I do that. And then after I've snapped them together in the configuration I like, they have these little zip ties that you can use to help hold them together. And then I just pin them up to my cubicle wall. And once you have these the way you want them, then you can go ahead and fluff up the plant material with your hands, and that makes them look more realistic. And then you can also see there on the back of the panels, there are 4 little leaves on each square, and that helps to block out the background of whatever you're hanging it on so that it's not see-through. Here you can see I'm using a zip tie to just help reinforce joining those panels together. So it went together really well, and it was pretty easy. There's the pin that I'm going to use to hang it up in my office cubicle, and there it is. I have people a couple times a day stopping by and telling me how beautiful my office is. So I think it really makes my office more peaceful, more relaxing, and as time goes on, I keep trying to add more things to make it more homey. But anyway, I really like this, and if you're looking for a nice plant backdrop or an artificial plant backdrop, this is definitely a good one to get. It does come in a few different varieties, so be sure and check those out when you have time. So I really like this. They're not see-through. You're not going to see what's behind it. You could actually even put these outside, and because they look so real, people aren't going to know that they're artificial when you have them outside. So if you're looking for something to use as a backdrop for photography, this is definitely something that you could use. So I really like this. I think you're going to love it too.